Looking to transform your outdoor space with the perfect pergola in 2024? In this video, we review the top 5 pergolas to buy, including the Backyard Discovery 12x10, Ridgedale Modern Steel Pergola, Beaumont All-Cedar Wooden Pergola, Mirador 111S Metal Louvered Pergola, and the Backyard Discovery 16 feet by 12 feet Traditional Steel Pergola. Whether you're after style, durability, or functionality, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Backyard Discovery 12x10 Pergola is a stunning addition to any outdoor space, offering a blend of Mediterranean charm and durability. Crafted from high-quality cedar, this pergola stands out with its sturdy design, featuring sculptured beams and 5 and 1x2-inch upright posts with diagonal braces, ensuring both beauty and strength. The pergola offers 63 square feet of space, with ample headroom at 6 feet 7 inches, providing room for both people and furniture. Its medium brown color complements various garden aesthetics. The pergola is also designed to be highly functional. It includes a power port with 3 electrical outlets and USB ports, making it easy to add lighting or charge devices outdoors. Assembly is straightforward with the help of the interactive BILT app, and the structure is Pro-TECT tested to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. The resin footings and concrete anchors add to its stability. Customer reviews praise its resilience, with one user noting its ability to withstand heavy winds, snow, and even relocation without damage. Another user described it as a must-have for creating a backyard oasis, noting how well it enhances the ambience, especially when adorned with outdoor lighting. Overall, this pergola blends aesthetic appeal with reliable performance, making it a great investment for any outdoor space. Number 4. The Backyard Discovery Ridgedale Modern Steel Pergola is a sleek, maintenance-free addition to any outdoor space, blending style, shade, and functionality. Constructed from 100% galvanized steel and stainless steel hardware, this pergola is powder-coated to resist rust, corrosion, and UV damage, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its modern design is complemented by built-in steel seating with sunbrella cushions, available in 4 color options. The seating is reinforced for stability and comfort, accommodating 4 to 6 people with ease. A standout feature is the soft, UV-protected canopy that offers shade and privacy while allowing airflow to prevent pooling during rain. The built-in side table and composite panels add further functionality to the pergola, making it a perfect spot for entertaining or relaxing by the pool, garden, or patio. Customer reviews highlight its sturdy construction and aesthetic appeal. One user mentioned needing help from a steelworker for assembly, but praised the pergola's solid build, though they noted that the seating is quite deep for those with shorter legs. Another user commended its ability to provide much-needed shade in a sunny backyard, emphasizing its sturdy and well-made design. Overall, the Ridgedale Modern Steel Pergola combines contemporary style with practical features, making it a great choice for those seeking a durable and visually striking outdoor structure. Number 3. The Backyard Discovery Beaumont All-Cedar Wooden Pergola is a stunning and robust outdoor structure, perfect for larger spaces. Its expansive 20 by 12 footprint and traditional design, crafted from 100% cedar, offer both visual appeal and durability. The pergola is engineered with dual structural cross beams and 6 by 6 heavy-duty support posts, making it a strong and enduring addition to any backyard. It has been Pro-TECT tested to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, ensuring it stands firm in various weather conditions. A standout feature of the Beaumont is its exclusive power port, which offers 3 electrical outlets and USB ports, providing convenience for charging devices or adding outdoor lighting. The pergola's natural cedar wood is resistant to decay, and its elegant design is enhanced with multi-level roof trellises and dual structural corbels, adding both strength and charm. Customers are impressed with the pergola's quality and aesthetic. One reviewer mentioned hiring a local company to assemble the structure, noting it requires multiple people for setup but praising the final result. Another user highlighted the pergola's great quality and expressed satisfaction with the purchase. With its easy assembly, facilitated by the BILT app, and its beautiful light brown stain finish, the Beaumont Pergola is a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor space. Its blend of beauty, strength, and functionality ensures it will make a lasting impression. Number 2. The Mirador 111S Metal Louvered Pergola with adjustable roof is an innovative and stylish addition to any outdoor living space. Featuring an award-winning modern design, this pergola not only enhances the look of your patio, barbecue area, or spa, but also offers exceptional functionality. The adjustable louvered roof allows for precise control over sunlight, with angles ranging from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, providing excellent protection from the sun, rain, and wind. Constructed from premium materials, including a powder-coated aluminum frame and galvanized steel louvers, this pergola is built to last and can withstand winds up to 73 miles per hour. It also features an integrated guttering system that effectively diverts rainwater through the posts, ensuring your outdoor space remains dry during rain showers. Assembly is made easy with prefabricated rails and louvers, along with helpful instructional videos, making installation a breeze for most DIYers. The pergola comes with expansion bolts for stable ground attachment, though it's important to check local building codes and guidelines as a permit may be required. User reviews highlight the pergola's sturdy construction and easy assembly, with one user praising its value and performance after experiencing storms. Another user expressed satisfaction after a year of use, mentioning that it remains solid and reliable through bad weather, though birds occasionally nested in the corners. Overall, the Mirador 111S Louvered Pergola offers an elegant solution for outdoor living, blending modern design with practical features for year-round enjoyment. Number 1. The Backyard Discovery 16 feet by 12 feet Traditional Steel Pergola is a modern yet elegant addition to any outdoor space, offering both style and durability. Constructed from 100% galvanized steel, this pergola is designed to be maintenance-free, rust-resistant, and highly durable, providing protection against chipping, scratching, and UV damage. Its contemporary white finish, combined with a classic geometric post design, ensures it enhances any backyard aesthetic. The pergola includes a UV-protected soft shade canopy, which filters light and allows air and water to flow through, preventing pooling during rainy weather. With 192 square feet of coverage, it provides ample space for furniture, fire pits, and gatherings. The pergola also features Backyard Discovery's exclusive power port, which includes 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports, perfect for powering outdoor lighting, electronics, and charging devices. Tested to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, the Hawthorne Pergola is as sturdy as it is stylish, backed by a 5-year limited warranty. The assembly is simplified with the step-by-step BILT app, making setup easy for most users. Customer reviews highlight the pergola's striking appearance and ease of assembly. One user praised its elegant look, noting the excellent customer service when a small part was missing. Another user commended its durability, mentioning that it has held up well against harsh lakefront conditions. Overall, the Backyard Discovery 16 feet by 12 feet Traditional Steel Pergola combines timeless design with modern functionality, making it a strong, weather-resistant, and beautiful addition to any outdoor living space.